Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record a preview for your app using the types of software that we're using. Okay, so as you see here, I'm using Camtasia to record what we're doing on here. And if you've been around the IM market for any period of time, you already understand and know this. But what I can do is I can shrink this window that you're seeing right now down to this size. And I'm going to show you that right in a minute. Okay, so I've shrunk the screen down to fit around my iPhone preview screen. So I didn't have to upload this to Android or anything else. I could have put it on one of the APK test trial systems, but right in the software that I'm using, I can do this preview. So basically, from here, what we want to do is we want to record what the app has to offer. Now, as you can see, I've created a Jay-Z Kanye West Watch the Throne preview app, and I've included in it news about the guys. So this will update automatically. I've created Kanye West's Twitter in it, Jay-Z's Facebook. So fans of these guys can keep up to date. Music from Kanye's Evo account, and then we go here and they can subscribe. Watch the Throne preview is a little added feature that I threw in that you're going to learn about later on in this tutorial. But what we have to offer here is a preview of all the songs. Okay, so they can listen to all their songs, but it will annoy them to the sense that they have to go through and play each one by one. If they buy the album right here through my Amazon affiliate link, then they can listen to all the songs the way they want to. Okay? So if I was going to market this through the method that we're going to, then I would just go through and do an app preview. I would obviously make the windows smaller to eliminate the scroll bar, because in a web browser software you need the scroll bar. In the actual app it's not going to have that. So I would shrink the viewing window down when recording to the edge of the app and show all the features as if the app is operating. So by doing this, you can preview your app. You can get a trial offer of Camtasia. I believe it's for $1 or free for the first little bit. Enough to record your first number of apps, get you off the ground, get you making money, show people what you have to offer, and then go from there. Okay? So I hope this has been an eye-opener to a preview of what you can do for video promotion towards your app. Now I'm going to show you the finished version of what we've created for this app and how to upload it to YouTube, Pinterest, and how to get it cooking. Okay, so I'm in Camtasia. I've recorded a preview to the app. Now the next thing I would do is produce and share, and I'll just quickly run you through this. We'll just say Jay-Z dash Kanye and finish. And this is previewing or rendering the project for us. The next step we would do is we will upload it to YouTube and start to get it going viral. We'll add it to Pinterest, and I'll show you a couple little tips and techniques to make that happen. Okay, so I'm in YouTube. I've already rendered the video for the Jay-Z Kanye West app that I built, and now I'm going to upload the video. Just going to change a couple key factors. What I would put in here is my link to my Google Play position where the app is available for everybody, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video while it's doing its thing so it doesn't take you forever, and then we'll go on. Okay, so this is my location of my newly installed JZ app. So I'm going to copy the address to it from the address bar, and I'm going to go over to YouTube, and I'm just going to paste it in here. Okay, easy enough. So when it's saved and people see it, they can immediately get the app. So they can preview the app going right here, and I'll show you what mine looks like after I finished it. So I just added in text saying what each feature did and how it would work for them, that type of thing. So keeping this in mind, creating an app preview is quite easy. And people can see this, then you upload it to the App Store, you've got a preview going, and it's directly linked to your app. So we don't need to keep going there, but I just wanted to show you how easy that really was and how easy you can get that uploaded to YouTube to make it start creating a viral trend again and getting downloads to your app. So the next part I'm going to show you is a little gray hat type of technique, but it works. And I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to pull up the websites, and I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm at a secret location where I'll share this link with you in the resource area, but this is a simple tactic that creates real views from real people around the world that you can see is absolutely dirt cheap. $800 for 1 million views, and I can't tell you how many times I've used this to get a viral trend going and really pumping up to move a product, a campaign, anything. This is vital. It works really well, and like I said, this will be under YouTube video views in the resource sector. You can use this to your advantage to start kicking off your video, and everything else that you do on top of it will help it to go even more. Okay, so let's finish up this tutorial talking a little bit about Pinterest and what it can do for you. Pinterest is known for photographs and its massive sharing capabilities. The growth trend that Pinterest has had is exponential, and it is growing faster than any other social network on the web. But it can also be a viral tool for sharing your apps and producing more action off of your apps as we go forward. So to do this, it's very simple. Once you've uploaded to YouTube, you're going to go add pin, and then you're going to put in the link to the video of the URL to your video. So I will grab my link right off of here. In the top address bar, copy that one, okay? Come back over to Pinterest and paste it in. Okay, it was that simple. Black screen, people will be wondering what's going on there, and hopefully we get some repins from that. Now, if you want to get this going a little bit more aggressively, there are tactics that you can use that float in the gray matter area, but you can always go over to Fiverr and find people that repin your pins for $5 and get the interest going there, like this one, right? I will share 5 images of your choice on Pinterest, Twitter, so on and so forth. You know, you can ask them if they'll repin your video as part of that deal, right? Here's one. I will like 20 repin 5 to my 7,276 Pinterest followers. Okay, so you know this is a pretty good start, and then you can always go over to Google and you can type in buy repins and go to sites like this and buy a bunch of repins that they will repin your video, and it will start the trend going on Pinterest. So hopefully that you receive quite a bit of downloads just from this little package that you may acquire. Okay, so this is a possible other direction that you can go to get repins, gain popularity in your app, get people reviewing your app, and start the trend going. Using these social networks to your advantage is crucial to getting this off the ground. Now, once you're rolling, once you have a bunch of successful apps in your app directory under your developer's name, you won't have to do this so much. But it does take a little bit of time, and it does take a little bit of money to establish your name. So the combination of adding local business apps and getting those going in a local area, plus adding, niche apps that interest people and posting it on the social networks will build credibility towards your name. It will increase downloads so that when you release a new app in the future, you can do a push market campaign and tell them, hey, we've developed this new app. Do you like blah, blah? And it will just keep growing your business. The more activations you have of an app, the more money you're going to make. It doesn't matter if the same person has 10 of your apps, because they're still seeing the ads, they're still clicking on the ads when they're using your app, and it's beneficial for you because you've got your affiliate links embedded, and at some point they're going to link through and they're going to buy from you. As it's been said over the internet over the past number of months, every download equals $1.02 in income in your pocket when you're giving these apps away for free. Keep that in your mind and use it to your advantage.